There are books that entertain you. There are books that make you cry. And then, there are books that change the way you see the world. Forever. Whether you're a reader or someone who hasn't touched a novel in years. These 10 books will hit you like a freight train. Let's dive in. Book number 10. The Alchemist. It's the kind of book that feels like a warm whisper telling you to chase your dreams. Simple story, deep meaning. One of the most gift-given books on earth. And for a reason. Book number 9. Man's Search for Meaning. Written by a Holocaust survivor and psychiatrist. It's not just a memoir, it's a roadmap for surviving your darkest days. Book number 8. 1984. This isn't fiction anymore. It's a warning. A glimpse into a future where surveillance, propaganda, and fear rule our lives. Book number 7. A Little Life. Trigger warning, this one will wreck you, but it also shows the raw beauty of friendship and endurance. Book number 6. Siddhartha. A spiritual journey in under 150 pages. Reading it feels like a meditation. Book number 5. The Four Agreements. A quick read, but the advice? A lifetime of freedom. Book number 4. Crime and Punishment. Not an easy read, but once you're inside Raskolnikov's head, you'll never leave. Book number 3. To Kill a Mockingbird. This one hits you in the heart. Scout Finch's world feels innocent and real, and reveals ugly truths we still face. Book number 2. The Midnight Library. What if you could live every life you never chose? This novel will help you make peace with your own. Book number 1. The Prophet. Every sentence feels like a sacred quote. You'll want to carry this one forever. Books are time machines, mirrors, escape hatches. And these 10? They don't just pass the time, they give your time meaning. Comment your favorite below and let's talk literature. Thanks for watching. And until next time, read on.